Hello, I'm Zhiqiang Zhu from the Chinese University of Hong Kong. My research is about the production of Mandarin tone fluency and tonal changes by Japanese learners. There are two types of tone fluency in Mandarin. First, full tone fluency, which changes the first tone 3 into tone 2 in a tone 3 tones 3 sequence. And second, half tone fluency, which changes the full tone 3 into half tone 3 when it is followed by T1, T2, and T4. Apart from tone fluency, tone change processes are applied in some lexical items in Mandarin, like yi and bu. Mandarin yi and bu must undergo tonal change from its basic tone into tone 2 when it was followed by tone 4. Tone fluency and tonal change are essentially different. Tone fluency is phonologically conditioned, and tonal change of yi and bu is morphologically conditioned. Our prediction is that tonal change is easier than tone fluency for L2 learners because the tonal change is restricted to yi and bu, while tone fluency is applied more widely. Another focus of this study is the comparison between early and late bilinguals. Past studies have shown that early language experience can provide a significant boost to speakers' production and perception. Our target group is Japanese learners of Mandarin. Why Japanese? Because the manipulation of pitch is common in Japanese. Japanese is a pitch accent language. Meanwhile, Japanese is not a tone language, which can avoid cross-linguistic influences between tone systems. So for our participants, we have two target groups: advanced Japanese learners of Mandarin, AJ group. They learned Mandarin as L2 with over 1 year immersion in Beijing. And Japanese Mandarin simultaneous bilinguals, SB group. They acquired both Mandarin and Japanese from an early age, with their mothers being native Mandarin speakers. And one baseline group is native Beijing Mandarin speakers, NM group. For the stimuli, it's an equal number of disyllabic real words and disyllabic word words with all possible tonal contexts. There are 3 sets of stimuli: tone fluency, tonal change of yi, and tonal change of bu. And 3 native Beijing Mandarin speakers judged the accuracy of each token. The 3 figures here shows the accuracy rates of Mandarin tone fluency and tonal change of yi and tonal change of bu. Here's the summary of accuracy patterns. SB speakers outperformed AJ speakers in all aspects. And in many cases, for example, the tonal change of bu before T1 and T2, just showing here, the SB speakers performed as well as the NM speakers did. And for the general accuracy ranking for Japanese learners, tonal change of bu is higher than tone fluency and higher than tonal change of yi. And we also found mixed results for full tone fluency and half tone fluency by Japanese learners. And of course, the accuracy of real words was higher than word words for Japanese learners. For the discussion, first, early bilinguals had advantage over late bilinguals in producing tone fluency and tonal change. And second, contrary to our prediction, the easiness between tone fluency and tonal change of yi and bu for L2 learners remained unclear because the difficulty of acquiring tonal change in different lexicon varies. The tonal change of bu was easier than that of yi for learners, which might due to lexicon familiarity. And third, the comparison between full tone fluency and half tone fluency showed mixed results. The half tone fluency in T3, T2 sequence had the lowest accuracy, possibly because L2 learners had difficulty discriminating between Mandarin tone 3 and tone 2. And for the acoustic analysis on tone fluency and tonal changes will be carried out. Thank you for listening.